this episode of Haroon Eats and Travels. This is our last night in Abu Dhabi, man. So, we got the troops together, man, and then hit up the town. And before we left, man, we had to make one more trip and one more visit to Panini di Casa, man, before we headed out to Dubai. And then we made one last ride up to level 10, man, at the Ramada where we were staying at. We called it a night, and then we made our way over to Dubai with my cousin Sam.
Red light camera ahead.
It's crazy. That's that red light camera that they're talking about. Where they have the speed, those little speed traps.
So you can't go 1 mile above the speed limit here. You get screwed.
1 mile over, bro. Like they let us pass in America, bro. They're like, got Sumi Hassan.
Turn left on Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Street.
You guys good back there?
Yeah.
All right, guys, before we make our way over to Dubai, we decided to stop over at the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque one last time. But this time, we're not stopping over there for the mosque, actually. We're actually going there to visit the Souq Al Jami, which is a very unusual underground shopping center located underneath the mosque, man. And it's not the type of shopping center that you expect to be at a mosque, man. This had a lot of mainstream restaurants and stores and grocery stores and places where you could buy souvenirs, man. It's an amazing, amazing shopping center, as you'll see in just a moment. But before we made our way over there, we stopped over at my cousin's house to pick up some supplies before we hit the road, man. So here we are, man. Here's the entrance to the shopping center. Now, we're looking at this like, oh, small little dome. How big could this shopping center be? Little did we know that the shopping center is underground, man.
Right,
check this out.
Souq Al Jami, right? Oh, do we need it? Damn it. Yeah, I got What is it?
All right, guys, as we made our way into the shopping center, this place tripped me out. It literally was an underground market that housed everything from Cinnabon, McDonald's, and of course, Tim Hortons, which we will pay a visit in just a moment. But we came here to pick up some knickknacks, again, some souvenirs to take back home. So,
Let's go and get.
let's take a little quick walk through the mall, man. Come roll with your boy.
So proper. All right, so we are at the As Souq Al Jami, right by the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It is quite amazing, actually. I didn't think it was going to be like this. I didn't think it was going to be like a proper mall, man. It's actually pretty cool. They got a Tim Hortons here. Check this out. We don't got Tim Hortons. This is all Canada. You guys have Tim Hortons in England?
Yeah.
You guys do?
There is.
Man, I got to get a coffee from here. They got donuts here? They do, right? Tim Hortons donuts, right?
Which company makes it good? This one, it's Ajman. So we have all the Ajman set.
So at the shopping center, man, just kind of walking through, seeing what they have here. Needed some of the, some of the touristy stuff, the little collectibles here and there, souvenirs. But now we're just trekking our way through, man, and seeing what else they got here.
One thing you can recommend though is the Christmas party.
All right, so we don't have Tim Hortons in California, man. So your boy has to try it, dude. How you doing, brother? Assalamu alaikum. You're not gonna let Vanna know. Do we need to step our game up or what? With celebration, the Indian celebration, right? So they put like little Indian sweets on top of there. How you doing, brother? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Should get yourself a Red Bull.
Yes. Naam. And then inshallah the...
I'm saving myself.
Yes. What do you recommend then, brother? Do you have any...
You can go service ice or soup almond latte.
Let me do... How about an ice cappuccino then, inshallah?
Ice cappuccino. Which flavor caramelism or vanilla?
Let me do caramel, please.
Regular nor?
Regular's fine.
Caramel. Whipped cream.
Yes.
All together served or separate? Order?
No, we're good. Alhamdulillah. We're good.
Based out of Canada, Tim Hortons has captured the hearts and taste buds of not only Canadians, but of people around the world. We don't even have a Tim Hortons in California, man, but they got one here at the Souq Al Jami here in Abu Dhabi, man. It's a trip. But I love the way Tim Hortons represented the culture here, man, with a variety of different pictures, a variety of different souvenirs and art to kind of showcase the culture and traditions of the UAE. That was really, really cool. So not only did they got this location here in Abu Dhabi, they got locations throughout the UAE and the Middle East and Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, and Kuwait.
Man. Tim Hortons is known, of course. It's a Canadian-based restaurant, man, that have been opening up everywhere, except for in California. But they specialize in donuts and their coffee, man. So I had to try the donuts, man, because, you know, everywhere I go, gotta try and see if, you know, something can inspire us at the donut shop as well. So let's see, man. Hopefully my wife doesn't beat me down for trying something new. I'm not trying to cheat on my donut shop, but, you know, you get different donut holes from different area codes, you know what I mean? So it's okay.
They're just going to create, you know, their own neighborhood. They bring a lot of people from outside.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Man, so we're gonna try this pistachio, man. This is covered in pistachio dust. I guess the icing is pistachio infused, flavored infused. So let's give it a try. How is it, bro? Good? It's whatever, really?
But you the donuts.
Let's try it out.
Yours. More bready.
The icing is good.
With the bread.
Yeah. See this? It has to have a little bit of viscosity. This is kind of dry. It's kind of dry. It is kind of dry.
Look at that, bro. Like you gave.
Actually, no. Our donuts aftertaste. You guys have all tasted our donuts. The aftertaste of the donut is like a specific aftertaste that my wife. I can't tell you what we do. No, but we make our donuts a certain way. This doesn't have that aftertaste to it. Unfortunately, this is not. It's all right. I will try the regular donut. Anybody want to split this?
Not at all.
No. This guy doesn't want to even try it. He said, "Man, I'm not gonna partake in your treachery."
No, for specific
It's not donut,
reasons.
I'm not touching it.
Yeah, we're not going to sit there and expose that for specific reasons. But I've had the donut with Livermore donuts, so to know to have great donuts from Haroon and his family, this right here ain't shit.
Real talk, but let me try at least the icing. If the ice, because the raise is gonna taste the same. I think I'll hold off on the other ones, to be honest with you. There's a cakey donut I'll try, but this is pretty much it. No.
Not at all.
Chocolate's too bitter. No taste in the donut at all. There's no aftertaste. It's just
Tim Hortons from
floor.
Catherine.
Let them come, bro. Let them come for me. One more last one, guys. The cake chocolate. He said this was good, so we tried it. Let's give it a try. That's decent. It's better than the raised, but it's not that great.
Yeah, it's not.
It's not that great, but it's good.
Not really specific
3 out of 5.
pictures of it.
All right, so I'm hoping that this is good. Little, what is this? What I get? An iced cappuccino with whipped cream. Oh man, this shit is actually really good.
Redemption.
Coffee is good. I'll never order a donut. I'll never cheat on my donut shop again with this place, but the coffee is good. I'll try this. I will try one more thing. So this is the Diwali donut, and it's got little pieces of burfi on it. But again, you can have all the icing and you can add all the toppings you want on here. If the actual base of the donut isn't on, you know, it isn't hitting, then it's whatever donut, right? This is to complement the coffee, right? It should be the other way around. The coffee should complement the donut, right? But let's try it.
Good analogy. I like it.
The icing is really good, actually, because it does. That's it. I'd have to give it a 3 out of 5, but because 2 to 2.5 to 3 out of 5. But the actual Tim Hortons coffee is on point. If you were to eat this,
If he's looking up and thinking, that's your answer.
it's whatever, right?
The texture isn't very good. When you're chewing, the texture isn't very good. It's got a dry aftertaste.
Yeah, you're on point. I think. All right, guys. I'm gonna be honest. I held up my trip back to Dubai with my cousin for these donuts, and now I'm gonna be honest. I'm not understanding what the hype was about Tim Hortons. Everybody was like,
Tim Hortons about the coffee, not the donuts.
"That's what it is." So that's what everybody says. All right, quick little stop over here at the mall, at the Grand Mosque, and now we are on our way to Dubai. Till next time, folks.
I want to give a shout out to my cousin Sami, who took us over to the As Souq Al Jami. Yo, thank you, Sami, man. Definitely was appreciated. It was really fun hanging out with you. I'm gonna definitely miss this place, man. Can't believe it, man. Still, an underground shopping center that's connected to a mosque. Who would have thought? But now we're making our way over to Dubai, where the adventure and the grubbing continues, man. So come and grub with your boy. Thank you for stopping by. Remember to subscribe to your boy's channel, leave a comment for your boy, and click like.